So, good afternoon. I'm one of the founder of Bounty Chicken Skin. So, meron kaming chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. So, sa laman ng chapter 1, meron tayong executive summary. Chapter 2 is business profile, company history overview, mission and vision, business name and logo, and objective, rationale, and introduction of the industry. Then sa chapter 3, merong product description, in description of product, recipe, then costing. In chapter 4, the market assessment, location, market segmentation, target market, and competition analysis. So sa chapter 5, marketing plan, sales marketing, goal and objectives, SWOT analysis, value proposition, marketing strategy, and marketing materials. Then chapter 6, the operational analysis, management and ownership, board plan, operating and business hours, timeline of events, dining and kitchen layout, then equipment. In chapter 7, financial consideration, we have only startup costs. So, ito yung overview ng Bounty Chicken Skin. First is executive summary. So, Bounty Chicken Skin specialized in producing and selling gourmet chicken skin snacks. Our mission is to offer high quality, flavorful snack that delight customers and satisfies craving for crunchy, savory treats. To accommodate different palates, we've created a variety of chicken skin flavors such as original, barbecue, spicy, and parmesan. Alongside of it is Bounty Chicken Skin Pops, chicken breast seasoned in secret blending spices which also have a different flavor. We guarantee flavor and texture consistency by meticulously developing recipes and implementing quality control measures. Our production facilities adhere to strict hygiene and safety standards. We utilize state-of-the-art equipment for frying and packaging to maintain products, freshness, and extend shelf life. So, we have Bounty Chicken Skin target young adults age 18 to 35 and middle-aged consumer age 35 to 55. So the target market is young. So who are more likely to enjoy snacks foods? We also target health-conscious consumer looking for indulgent but guiltless snacks option, snack fanatics, and foodies searching for interesting and tasty product. So the management uses social media to create a Facebook page where customers can order Bounty Chicken Skin as part of an online sales campaign. In addition to selling our products through our online store, we secured distribution agreements with local specialty food retailer and government snack shop. We're also exploring opportunity for expansion into national supermarket chain and international market. We actively solicit feedback from customers through surveys and social media channels to continuously improve our products and customer experience. This iterative process allows us to stay responsive to changing consumer preference and market trends. So yun yung executive summary natin. Then next is chapter 2.
Next is our business profile. Here is our company overview. The dynamic and innovative food company Bounty Chicken Skin specializes in the manufacturing and marketing of high-end chicken skin snacks. Bounty Chicken Skin originated with a love for fine food and dedication to providing delicious flavors. Its mission is to provide snack lovers with a delicious and satisfying treat. Bounty Chicken Skin provide a variety of amazing chicken skin snacks that are all made with love to produce a satisfying crunch and blast of flavors. We provide a variety of flavors in our product line that satisfies a wide range of palates, including solids and innovate as well as timeless classics. Our selection of snacks which range from spicy and barbecue to parmesan guarantees a memorable snacking experience. Next, our mission and vision statement. Our mission: delicious chicken skin snacks that enhance the snacking experience are served by our Bounty's Chicken Skin. For every bite to have unrivalled flavor of crispiness, we are dedicated to find the best ingredient of upholding quality standards, concentrating on both customer satisfaction and innovation. This is our vision. Our goal is to dominate the market by offering the crispiest, tastiest, and chicken snacks that tantalize customers with their robust, savory flavor. With our delicious and descendant delight, which are adored by everyone who savors the enticing crunch of our premium chicken skin product. We hope to transform the snacking market, and this will lead us to be the best producer of chicken snack in Calamba and Cabuyao City. Here is our business name and logo. Next is our objectives. Our objective is to strive exceed customer expectation by consistently delivering a delicious and satisfying snack experience. Introduce new flavors and variation of chicken skin snacks to appeal to different consumer tastes. Generate sustainable revenue streams by optimizing production process and controlling costs. Bounty Chicken Skin Object 8 to become the leading brand synonyms with premium quality, innovation, and culinary excellence while prioritizing sustainability and consumer satisfying in every bite all over the Calamba City and Cabuyao City. Bounty Chicken Skin aims to expand distribution from Calamba City to Cabuyao City, partnering with major retailers and increase accessibility in each and become the best affordable snack in town. Our rationale is to take advantage of this trend while remaining true to their mission of providing guilt-free indulgence for all cravings. Business should offer low-fat options alongside traditional ones, thus creating healthier alternatives without sacrificing any flavor potential. Through building up website and social media channels such as Facebook or Instagram presence, online ordering could become much convenient than ever before with nationwide, even global delivery right from home. There are few players in the market offering dedicated chicken skin product as it stands today. This allows for relatively easy entry into the business space. Next is our introduction of the industry. Our Bounty Chicken Skin is a delectable snack, offers satisfying crunch with every bite made from carefully selected chicken. Our product is seasoned with a perfect blend of spices to create a flavorful experience that will entice your palate. Snack lovers will love the crispy texture of our expertly prepared chicken skin, which has the delicious crunch. In terms of variety flavors, our product comes in a variety of flavors, including original, spicy, barbecue, and parmesan. It is created with premium quality chicken skin purchased from a trusted supplier and double-fried perfectly for an extra crispy texture. Seasoned with a special blend of herbs and spices for a delicious taste. Irresistible crunchiness that will satisfy your desired flavor, experience with each mouthful and handy packaging for quick on-the-go snacking. We've mastered the art of transforming chicken into a special delight. Our exclusive blend of spices and creative cooking methods ensure that every bite has the ideal crunch without compromising flavor. Next is product description. We decided to have two different snacks. First is Bounty Chicken Skin Original. Crispy and delicious golden brown chicken skin with your choice of flavor. Example of flavor is barbecue, parmesan, spicy, and the original. The computation of this is every 1 kilogram of chicken skin is total of 5 serving. Now this is the computation. chicken skin 1 kilogram. Unit cost 150. Quantity need 1 kilo. Kaya ang quantity cost is 150 din. Then next is breading mix 385 grams. Unit cost is 20 pesos. Quantity need is 385 and total is quantity cost is 25 then. Next is cooking oil. We need in the cooking oil is 1 liter, which costs 125 pesos. And this total of quantity cost is 125 pesos. To get the total cost, divide 300. The total of quantity cost is 300 pesos. Then 300 divided by 5 is equal to 60 pesos. The selling price is 60 pesos. Now, to get the target price, total cost per product plus desired profit margin, we decide to have a 30% desired margin. So, 60 plus 18 pesos is equal to 78 pesos. This is our target price. And if you want to have an extra flavor, you can add 5 pesos for extra flavor like barbecue, spicy, and parmesan. Next of our product is Bounty Chicken Pops. Chicken breast seasoned in secret breading and spices with different flavors. Now, ito po yung chart po namin. The item we need to have a chicken pops is first is chicken breast, the main ingredients of the chicken pops. Cost, we need a unit measurement of 1 kilogram. Unit cost is 180 and our quantity needed is 1 kilogram. The quantity cost is 180 pesos. Next is flour. Cost, unit of measurement is 1 kilogram. Unit cost is 20 pesos and quantity needed is 1 kilogram. Quantity cost is 20 pesos. Egg. We need 8 pieces of egg which cost of 64 pesos. And last one is oil. That we need 1 liter cost 125 pesos. Now, to get the total cost, we add our quantity cost and the equivalent quantity cost is 289 pesos. Every 1 kilogram of chicken breast, we have a 10 serving of chicken pops. Now, 389 divided by 10 is equal to 38.9, rounding up equals to 40 pesos. Now, to get the target price, total cost per product plus desired profit margin, for example, is 50%. The formula is target price is equal to 39 plus 20 pesos is equal to 59 pesos. And if you want to add flavor to the chicken pops, you can add 5 pesos for barbecue, parmesan, and spicy flavor.
So, next is we have market assessment, chapter 4. We have the location. So, Bounty Chicken Skin has to plan to launch an online store and engage in e-commerce. To do this, we'll use social media to set up a Facebook page where customer can order Bounty Chicken Skin and select from a menu of flavors for their snack and message us with their delivery address. All deliveries will be made in the vicinity of Calamba and Cabuyao City. Social media is something we utilize to reach a bigger audience, and since it is ingrained in everyone's life in this generation, Bounty Chicken Skin will be able to reach more customers. So next is we have market segmentation. So sa market segmentation, we have the business target, young adults, age 18 to 35, and middle-aged consumer, age 35 to 55. Then with the online selling, we only conduct delivery who live around Calamba and Cabuyao City. Some chicken skin business target their customer middle to high income as premium quality chicken skin product may be priced higher. But our Bounty Chicken Skin is accommodating for student price only, with different flavor and premium quality Bounty Chicken Skin in affordable amount. So, in lifestyle, the Bounty Chicken Skin is positioned as convenient and indulgent snack option for individual with busy lifestyle who enjoy treating themselves to flavorful snack. So, Bounty Chicken Skin is appealing to adventurous and food enthusiasts who seeks new culinary experience with flavor option. So, we will promote the Bounty Chicken Skin in urban and suburban areas with higher population density and more diverse food preferences by creating some tarpaulin with indicating of our social media marketing by using Facebook page to order and deliver to their houses. So in outline in target market, Bounty Chicken Skin targeted individuals age 18 to 35 and with accessibilities and convenient single-serve packaging and alternatives for on-the-go eating satisfy customer hectic schedule and make it simple for them to partake in chicken skin snack during leisure time or work. So this is a really convenient snack for everyone to keep on hand, whether they are student, workers, multitasker, travelers, foodies, or health aware. So in competition analysis, we have two competitors. First one is the Pick Up Stick. Sa Pick Up Stick, ito yung SWOT analysis nila. By the way, the Pick Up Stick is the brand offers Pinoy street foods focusing on grill and fried on stick product. It has many branches in part of Luzon, including Laguna. They offer snack and traditional cooking that has many people want to like grilled pork skin. Yung first competitors is Pick Up Stick. The next is yung Crunchy Bucket. So, Crunchy Bucket is one of the famous food business of chicken skin. It has a large followers in social media. They conduct online selling in many shopping applications including TikTok Shop, Shopee, and Facebook page. They offer a menu of bucket chicken skin and has many more menu for snacks like pizza and pasta. This is one of the biggest threat in our Bounty Chicken Skin because this has similarities in our product. So this is the SWOT analysis of competitor analysis. So they have the Pick Up Stick. Strength is they have a lot of menu in snacks and they offer Pinoy street foods that many people craving for their snack. So their weakness is some of health conscious won't choose this as a snack. Line of business, they are bistro. So their target market is people who street food enthusiasts and people near to their selected branches. So next is Crunchy Bucket. Their strength is they offer quality chicken skin and they have different kind of snack to choose and have a lot of followers in social media. Then their weakness, because their product is high quality and their serving is good to two or more people, their price is too high to purchase.
Chapter 5, Market Analysis. Sell marketing goal and objectives. Display aims to boost awareness of our fried chicken skin product by leveraging targeted ads, social media, and compelling content. Will emphasize its distinctive flavors, crunchiness, and premium ingredients to set it apart from competitors. Engaging activities like cooking demos, taste test will depend customer connection, while feedback loops will help us tailor our offering to meet customer preferences effectively. Next, SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis. The strength of SWOT analysis is fried chicken skin offers distinctive and indulgent snack option that appeals to a wide audience. Then the opportunities is opportunity to introduce new flavors, packaging formats, and healthier alternatives to attract new customers and differentiate the brand. The weaknesses. Fried foods are often associated with health concerns such as high fat and calories content, which means dietary health conscious consumer. The threats. Shifting consumer preference toward healthier snacks may impact the demand of indulgent products like fried chicken skin. Next, value proposition. The value proposition are gourmet fried chicken skin offers a premium snacking experience crafted from high quality ingredients and seasoned to perfection. It delivers a satisfying crunchiness and delicious. Perfect enjoying on its own paired with your favorite dishes, convenient for any occasion, whether you're watching a movie, spending time with family, it's sure to satisfy your cravings and leave you wanting more. Next. Marketing materials. Our fried chicken skin offers an irresistible snacking experience with its perfect blend of flavors and satisfying crunch. Whether enjoy alone or a delicious addition to your favorite dishes, its mouth-watering taste and convenient packaging make it perfect for any occasion, from gathering with friends to cozy movie nights at home.
So next is chapter 6, operational analysis. So we have management and ownership. Bounty Chicken Skin is proudly run and operated by 4 St. Vincent in Cabuyao students who are all dedicated to providing our community with an outstanding culinary experience. So each team member brings unique skills and perspective to the table, which makes our company stay successful because we work together and takes hands-on approach to leaders. We are all avail to overcome any business challenge, from sourcing high-quality supplies to creating delicious and crispy chicken skin. So we have the operating and business hour. In weekend operation, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. We'll open 10 hours a day for our Facebook shop to meet lunchtime and dinner crowds by ordering from this page. So next is weekend operation, Saturday 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Sunday from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. The operating hours will be adjusted slightly on weekends to take account of the operation in traffic by customer. Opening later on Saturday allows for capturing late lunch and dinners, while opening earlier on Sunday aligns with typical weekend shopping hours. So in special events and holidays, in order to take advantage of the increased demand, the store may expand its opening hours in particular occasion, holiday and peak periods, extending the hours of operation for festival holidays such as Christmas or New Year's. In online ordering and delivery hours, during regular working hours, online ordering and delivery services may be available with delivery deadlines, typically set an hour before closing time to ensure that orders are delivered on time. So, in flexibility for adjustment, according to the business plan, in view of factors like customer feedback, seasonal fluctuation, and in demand and local market condition, flexibility is granted or changing. So, in organizational structure, we have founder, manager, chef, and finance. Founder take for Mr. Raven de los Reyes. Manager is for me, Daniel Amargos. And chef is for Bobby Sanipa. Then the finance is Miss Manuela. Work plan schedule. We will begin at 7 a.m. to manufacture our product and work until 10 p.m. to make a stock for tomorrow, because we only have one house where we both work and make our items. So here's the kitchen layout. Here's the stove, the connecting table, storage, yung walk-in cooler, then refrigerator, the cabinet na nilalagyan ng mga condiments, then door. So sa equipment, we have wok, strainer, heavy-duty burner, ladle, and tongs. The equipment for manufacturing of our Bounty Chicken Skin.
Last one is financial statement. So we don't have any physical store because our business doesn't exist. We plan to sell our business in online selling. Now, this is startup cost. The items is refrigerator, heavy duty gas stove, Ziploc, plastic bag, and wok. The cost of refrigerator is 10,000. The heavy-duty gas stove is 1,500. Ziploc is 500. Plastic bag is 400. And wok is 1,000. Now, to get our percent of total, the cost divided by our fund of 100,000 times 100. Now, 10,000 divided by 100,000 is 0.3%. Times 100 is 10%. Ganun din po ginawa namin para po makuha po lahat ng aming percent of total. So, thank you for listening. We hope you understand our business plan. By the way, I'm Raven Dos Reyes, the founder.
I'm Daniel Abargos, the manager.
I'm Bobby Saliba, I'm the chef.
And our freelancer is Miss Moelo.